Mastering the phrase, state that, in English. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, the go-to place for your English language learning journey. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, which is the phrase, state that. Whether you're writing an email, preparing for an exam, or just want to polish your conversational skills, understanding this phrase is crucial. So, let's dive in and uncover the meaning and usage of state that together. The phrase, state that, is often used in both written and spoken English. But what does it really mean? To state something means to express it in a definite or formal way. It is a more formal version of saying, say, or tell. When you state that something is true, you are declaring it clearly and formally. For example, he stated that he would be leaving the company. The law states that wearing a seatbelt is mandatory. In these examples, state that is used to present a fact or a piece of information in a straightforward and formal manner. You might wonder when exactly you should use this phrase. State that is most appropriate in academic writing, legal documents, official announcements, or when conveying information that requires clarity and authority. It's less likely to be used in casual conversations, where simpler words like say or tell are preferred. Using state that correctly. In essays, researchers state that the findings are conclusive. In reports, the report states that the project is behind schedule. Remember, choosing state that over say can change the tone of your sentence to sound more authoritative. While state that is straightforward, there are common pitfalls you should avoid. Redundancy. Avoid saying, he stated that in his statement. The word stated already implies it's a statement. Overuse. Don't replace every say or tell with state that, as it can make casual dialogue seem stiff and formal. Misusing in questions. When asking a question, it's uncommon to use state that. Instead, ask directly, what did he say? To help you grasp the concept better, let's look at a few practice sentences. Try to determine whether state that is used correctly. 1. I would like to state that I am grateful for your support. 2. Can you state that what the weather will be like tomorrow? The first sentence is correct, as it is a formal declaration of gratitude. The second is incorrect. It should simply be, can you tell me what the weather will be like tomorrow? Thank you for watching our video on the phrase, state that. We hope now you can state your points more confidently and accurately in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep watching our videos, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.